I have a mess. Like, I literally have a mess here. I have 3 cups, one's water, one's juice, and one's tea. Because I'm still feeling under the weather. Yesterday, as you guys saw in the previous vlog, I went to Target, TJ Maxx, and Starbucks. And I went after, you know, taking a shower. My hair wasn't like completely wet, but it was like 55 degrees and my hair was damp. So I think we backtracked in my health a little bit, but it's okay. I'm not gonna do anything crazy today. Today is, let's see, Friday, October 4th, and today we're just gonna basically get a lot of like computer work done, and then also cleaning my room. My room is a freaking mess, and I need to put up curtains, which I think I'm gonna do today. I need to organize this closet, so I hope you guys are looking forward to a little cleaning montage, because when I'm watching vlogs, I love cleaning montages. I don't know why. I don't know what it is about them, but I do. So we're gonna do that. But first, I was like, why not? I'm in my leggings and a sweatshirt, so I'm very comfortable. But why not put a little bit of makeup on to make it feel like I'm getting stuff done, you know? I don't know if you feel like that, but most of the time, ooh, I just turned on my makeup light, but most of the time when I have like even just a little bit of makeup on my face, it's like I'm ready to conquer the day, start the day, you know, whatever. And I feel more productive because it's like I'm getting ready for the day and not just like in my PJs or my sweats. So I'm gonna show you guys what I use. Oh, and actually I need to like clean my makeup brushes like really badly, so I think we're gonna do that today. And it's cool because I bought this little cool thing on at TJ Maxx, so you hold it and then you just scrub your brush around it, so it really gets into the bristles. So I'm excited to use this for the first time. But yeah, okay, I'm using this brightening eye gel. I got this at Target and it's actually really, really good. I've been using this for about a week now and I really do see the difference. So I do it between my ring finger. Okay, let's start cleaning. It's literally 7 o'clock p.m. It's 7 p.m. and I'm just about to start cleaning my room. But I was very productive. I made a lot of phone calls. I did a lot of emails. I edited a YouTube video and posted it today and did all that. I also organized some pictures from my, yeah, I did a lot of organizing on the computer. And then my brother and I also figured out, faster internet, and apparently right now we have, 75 megabits, and we're going to get 1,000 megabits, so you can imagine my excitement. Okay, but anyways, we are gonna start cleaning, because it's desperately needed. Okay, so first off, this was supposed to be my blanket bucket, but there are no blankets in here anymore. This is just basically my curtains that need to go up so desperately. I think these are more curtains. Yeah. These are curtains from a past apartment. I don't know what I'm going to do with them. Maybe I should save them for later. I think that's what I'll do. I'll put them in one of the bins underneath my bed. And then these are other clothes that I'm selling, some windbreakers. Check out my Poshmark if you are interested. Oh my god, my high school yearbook. I actually don't really want to look in that. I have my bed skirt. That's gonna hide all of this because, I mean, you guys gotta admit, that's freaking ugly. I don't need to see that. So I got a black bed skirt, and apparently from the reviews, you have to steam it, so I have that. But basically, the biggest monster is this closet. Actually, let me turn on the light. But this is the biggest monster we have to tackle today. I mean, look at this. Like, what is going on right here? If anybody wants any of these shoes, please follow my Poshmark because I don't want them. So I got this basket. I got it, I think I took you guys, or maybe I didn't, but I got this basket at TJ Maxx because it matched this basket up here. I have socks, only socks in there, and I was like, it's so easy just to like pull it down, grab it, and then go. And I think I'm gonna put workout clothes in this one, just so it could be like just as easy, you know? Because I really don't like looking like super cute and matching outfits to the gym. I just like, you know, my comfortable leggings, comfortable top, and that's it. So I think that's what I'm gonna put in here so I can clear up some drawer space there. So change of plans, we're putting PJs in here. So I decided to put actually PJs in here because I like very loose PJs, so very oversized, and like this is like, it just takes up a lot of space in my drawers over there. So this is much better. I obviously don't care what I wear to bed, so that's gonna go in this basket and it's gonna go up there. Okay guys, so my memory card has no memory in it. Hold on. So this is where we're at. We have stuff on the bed, stuff on the floor, stuff on the dresser, stuff on my desk. But I did get the 2 baskets up there. Now I just have to figure... You guys, this weave is from prom. My senior prom of high school. Jesus Christ. Does weave expire? What if like a spider came crawling down? Okay, this is going in the trash. I'll throw that there. And then, oh, these are sunglasses. Totally forgot about those. Okay, I don't know where to put stuff. Okay, and then my books. Okay, this is why I want a Kindle, because like, if I had a Kindle, I wouldn't have to worry about like storing books, like books getting dusty. Oh my gosh, my Rachel Hollis book. I was looking for this one. I'm gonna read this one. This is the, oops. Okay, if I can get it straight. This is the Girl Wash Your Face book. Yeah, I'm gonna read this. So we're gonna put that on the desk. But yeah, this is like extra stuff. I don't know, like tape, my nail lamp, which I should probably do my nails. They look really bad. This is my travel makeup bag, my PJs, my socks. Okay, so I guess up there is pretty good. Down here, I put this little step stool on the side like that, and then there's my shoes, and then I also have my hats up here. I am missing some shoes. They're in like a storage bin, which are like my winter shoes. Oh, this is the lens that I bought for my Canon. That's like super awesome. This is just the box, so I should probably toss that. My Nike Air Force Ones, my slides, my gym bag, I should just toss right there. My laundry basket, Sperry boots. Okay, this is a belt. We don't need a belt. This steamer is like really loud.
I know, I got my head.
We're twinsies. Guys, welcome. Well, I'm starting this off as a vlog, but this is actually to say thank you so much for watching. I totally forgot to show you the like end result of me cleaning up. So this is like future Andrea going back to past Andrea to show you guys the result. I mean, it's not perfect, and I'm not gonna do a room tour anytime soon just because like there's still a lot to get done basically, but I want to show you guys how everything looks so far. So the bed skirt is like perfect. It hides everything underneath, which I showed you guys has like bins and stuff like that underneath. This thing is a thing that I need to tackle next, but this is filled with like my curtains that need to go up still and clothes I need to sell. My backpack, here's the dresser, very clean, if I do say so myself. Oh, and then my desk, I have a lot of papers over there just because it's like things I have to mail out or I don't know, random things. And since I last like filmed this video, the light kind of went out on me, but yeah, I put the 2 baskets there. I have like, I think I still need to clean this out because it has a bunch of like just like sweaters and like swimsuits, I think. But then underneath here, I like it. It's clean, but this, I got that from the not the Container Store, I think Bed Bath & Beyond. And then I got these shoes from the Container Store. So now my closet's very nice and organized. And over here, my laundry basket. But yeah, that is it for my cleaning video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.